Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating and verifying your XDB account. Choose Live if you're ready, or Demo to rehearse. Once done, fund it with bank transfer or card. Make sure the base currency matches your plan to avoid conversion fees. Enable two-factor authentication for security and set your default leverage and margin preferences so trade sizes calculate correctly. This gets you from sign-up to being trade-ready. The next step is learning the platform layout and placing your first order. Now move into the platform, add assets to a watch list, open the chart, and apply indicators to confirm bias. You place market orders for immediate fills or limit/stop for price-specific entries. Use OCO for paired exit logic. Always define stop loss and take profit in pips or dollars before you submit. This enforces discipline and controls risk. Then calculate position size using a fixed risk percentage of your equity, accounting for leverage and margin so you don't overexpose the account. Finish by actively managing open positions. Use trailing stops to lock profits, perform partial closes when targets hit, and watch the Performance tab to track metrics. When ready, close manually or rely on your preset stop and take profit levels. Make sure orders confirm on the ticket. If something goes wrong, orders not executing, lag, or margin calls, check your internet and margin level first, reduce position sizes, then contact XDB support with screenshots so they can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.